The Battle of the Coral Sea, a turning point in the Pacific War, marked the first time that the Allies successfully checked a Japanese naval advance. This monumental clash took place in the waters of the Pacific from May 4th to May 8th, 1942, and was a significant standoff between the United States and its allies, and the Imperial Japanese Navy. The stakes were high. The Japanese were attempting to extend their dominion in the Pacific by capturing Port Moresby in Papua New Guinea, a move that would threaten the Allies' lines of communication with Australia. The opposing forces, led by Admiral Chester W. Nimitz for the United States and the Royal Australian Navy, and Vice Admiral Shigeyoshi Inoue for the Imperial Japanese Navy, knew the weight their actions carried. This was a battle of strategic importance, a battle that would shape the course of the Pacific War. The Battle of the Coral Sea was not a conventional engagement. The opposing carrier groups did not directly engage each other, but their aircraft sought out and attacked the enemy ships. The USS Lexington and the Japanese carrier Shoho were the primary victims of these airborne assaults. The Lexington was heavily damaged, eventually succumbing to while the Shoho was sunk outright. The USS Yorktown, though significantly damaged, managed to limp back to service in time for the Battle of Midway. Both sides experienced losses in terms of aircraft and personnel, painting a grim picture of the cost of this new form of naval warfare. The Battle of the Coral Sea was a battle fought from afar, a testament to the rising importance of naval air power. Despite heavier casualties, the Battle of the Coral Sea was considered a strategic victory for the Allies. It was a battle that changed the course of the Pacific War. The Japanese thrust towards Port Moresby was successfully halted, marking the first time the Allies checked a Japanese naval advance during the war. This strategic outcome had far-reaching effects. Just 1 month later, the Battle of Midway unfolded. The intelligence gathered and lessons learned at the Coral Sea played a crucial role in this subsequent American victory. The resilience and tactical acumen displayed by the Allies during the Battle of the Coral Sea set the stage for their success at Midway, a turning point in the Pacific. These battles demonstrated the importance of naval air power and carrier-based operations, establishing a template for future engagements. The Battle of the Coral Sea, a strategic victory that halted the Japanese advance in the Pacific and shaped the course of modern warfare,